to have a prescribed amount of wear reduction in thickness before they should be replaced. Wear generally accelerates rapidly once the hard-end layer or surface has been worn away, and further usage will result in more rapid wear and an unsafe condition. Each time brake linings are replaced, brake rim wear should be measured. Inspection of rims. Cross-checking. Heat cracks are normal for hard metal overlay rims, however, if the cracks join or intersect adjoining crack patterns, it is possible for such cracks to propagate or enlarge to the point that the braking rim becomes unsafe. Lack of cooling water to brake rim resulting in small cracks and discoloring. The bronze coloring is an early indication of problems. When the rim surface turns blue, it is an indication of serious cooling water problems. This is caused more than likely by heavy scale buildup in the cooling pipes and passages. Replacing the rim with new one. DC chain-driven Drawworks. Power. These Drawworks are normally powered with DC motors. Brakes, disc brakes and band brakes are used as the primary braking system, and Baylor eddy current brakes or friction plate brakes are used as auxiliary brakes. Controls. These Drawworks can be controlled remotely or by a manual driller's control console which is mounted on the skid. Typical disc brake arrangement. The brake pads and disc should be checked on a disc brake. Drawworks and the wear rates should be within the OEM's recommendations. Questions. Problem. Drawworks brakes overheating. Aside from leaking rims and hoses, the most common fault to cause this issue is deposits and restrictions in the path of water flow. On working rigs, one very good method I have found to isolate and determine what is going on when troubleshooting these problems is to pull the inlet water line to the main brakes and turn on the brake water pump and check the amount of time to fill a 5-gallon bucket. Then do the same at the outlet end and see if there is any noticeable pressure drop. It should take about 10 seconds or less to fill a 5-gallon or 20-liter pail at the discharge side of the Drawworks main brakes. This would prove a minimum 30 GPM flow through the brake rims. Much less from either location would give one a good starting point for troubleshooting. Problem. Drawworks brakes. Kicking brakes may show one or more of the following symptoms. The need to readjust in a short period of time could be band tearing from crack pads loose, or threads pulling out on dead-end adjustment nut. Kicking brake handle. When clutch is engaged and brakes are released is normally slack in linkage or excessive drum wear if band rollers are adjusted properly. Bands track hard against the inner or outer ledge of brake rims can be caused by worn equalizer, beam connections and lower brackets, nationals, or twisted brake bands. Eye-bolt problems, such as hard-to-turn adjusting nuts even though threads are lubricated. This condition, if left alone, is usually followed by bent and/or broken eye bolts or band breakage at dead end as deterioration continues in equalizer beam, its support lugs, or bores in the bottom of pedestals that retain adjusting nuts.
Subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.